Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a radiator on a Nissan Murano. First, gather your essential tools like a wrench set, pliers, and a large drain pan. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal before proceeding. This initial preparation ensures a smoother and safer replacement process, setting you up for success right from the start. Next, it's time to drain the coolant. Place a large drain pan beneath the radiator's drain cock, then open it to allow all the old coolant to flow out completely. Once drained, carefully disconnect both the upper and lower radiator hoses. You might need pliers to loosen the hose clamps. Be prepared for any residual coolant that may spill during this step. Now, we'll remove the old radiator. Begin by unbolting the radiator mounting brackets and detaching the fan shroud assembly. Look for any remaining electrical connectors or transmission cooler lines and disconnect them carefully. With everything detached, gently lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay. Take your time to avoid damaging other components during removal. Finally, install your new radiator. Carefully lower it into position, ensuring it seats correctly, then secure it with the mounting bolts. Reconnect all radiator hoses, electrical connectors, and any transmission lines you detached earlier, making sure they are tight. Once everything is connected, refill the system with the manufacturer-recommended type and amount of coolant. Bleed any air from the system for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.